Yo. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can be able to analyze Crash 300 index and get this kind of result. So let's quickly just dive in now. So as I'm saying, in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can be able to analyze Crash 300 index successfully trading the boom and crash market. Here is a beautiful setup that we have also achieved, and we have been holding this setup for almost 2 to 3 weeks now. Let me show you our entry point. We entered on the 24th of April, not very much, April, May, June, almost a month now. We are holding this particular trade, and this candle I just marked down, this candle, this red candle, this is our entry candlestick. So let me quickly explain for you how I get this set up, how you can be able to get the same setup and write over 1,000 pips catching spike trading the boom and crash. So let's dive in now. So if you look at this chart, I don't have any single indicator on this chart because today's analysis is purely based on technical analysis. So what actually happened, if you look at it here, even though we are in a trending, even though we are in a downtrend, but after this pullback, market tried to go above this our higher low, try to break above these highs. But what happened? Market quickly sharp down and come back into range with this momentum candle. This is this strong momentum candle, this one, because it's the same momentum candle that we find our entry on the opposite side. You see this green momentum candle, there was a fair value gap within this area. So what you need to understand, whenever a crash 300 index or a boom 300 index is about to break the new highs, whenever it tries to break out and the market refuses to break out, the next thing you see market just sharply come down into the range. You should just mark your highs. That is when I put this this trend line that you are seeing here. That's why I put this trend line. I mark my highs. The market push down low, create another low, making double low. Then I was marking for market to go and create another high again on this trend line channel, which is why I'm going to take my trade and sell this market downward. And that is exactly the same setup I use, and I'm getting over 1,000 pips just catching spike trading the crash 300 index. This is a special fear. Why I say this is a special fear? Because sometimes it's more volatile and it spike more frequently than the ordinary boom and crash. That's why I told you you have to be very curious and very observant when trading with this awesome index. So now what you need to understand as a beginner or as a special pro bribe action trader, you need to understand that when you are trading a trend line rule, you must have 2 points touching the trend line, so that those 2 points will be acting either as support for you or will be acting as a resistance for you. In this scenario and this set of these 2 points, this high and this high are acting as our what? Are acting as our major resistance, because we take our trade downward. You see, we take our trade downward. This is a downtrend. You see, this is a downtrend. These two things, this is a downtrend. So this arrow or these 2 high points are telling you that those points are being used as resistance, because after what happened here, before you have taken our trade and before you market start to continue trading down up to the level that market come and touch this third resistance point on the channel and also go back up and maintain this third resistance level on top, we still hold our trade and we still sell again. And what happened? The market continued to go down. Whenever you have a strong price action confirmation, you should know that this is a resistance. I know it's a resistance. Other people outside there that are trading do know that this is a resistance. This is a resistance. And that's why you are seeing people are selling at resistance and people are buying at support. But because of this trade market structure we are in now is technically downtrend, that is why we are only looking for a downtrend opportunity in order to execute our trade. this crash 1000 index, or she said this crash 300 index you are seeing, and also boom 300 index are more volatile than the ordinary boom 1000, boom 500, crash 1000, crash 500 that this is more volatile, this is highly volatile, this is super volatile than all other things that you know. So you need to understand that before you can be able to make consistent money catching spike. Just imagine this trend now that is giving us a special woofing of almost, or I should say over 100,100 pips intact, trading the boom and crash. And it's the same concept we have used to also catch spike with crash 1000 in the, but now we are technically and concentrated on crash 300 index only. So you also need to understand that crash 300 is a special trading fair that can give you whatever you want in the long run. That can give you whatever you want in the long run. So this is the most important, and this is the most advantageous trading setup that you can be able to have with crash 300 index or other PA that you may trade again. Always make sure if you have a break of structure, when market tries to break above highs and was unable to break it, the market break down into that structure, wait for the retest. This is the retest, and this is where our entry is. And as I told you, this was our entry on this candle. This candle was our entry candle. Look at it. This candle that have a wick and touches the highs of this channel is the candle that we use to execute our sell signal. And you can see the trade is moving over at least over 1000 pips intact, catching spike, trading with this away some crash 300 analysis. What you need to understand, whenever you are trading the crash 300 index, whenever you want to trade the crash 300 index, whenever you want to catch spike with crash 300 index, you need to understand the price action and the market structure, and also make sure you wait for a strong confirmation retest that will make you to execute your trade in the major direction of the trend. This is Boom and Crash Forex Academy, an academy that is designed to help any struggling trader outside there in order to excel and make money consistently in the Forex financial market. So in my next video, I'm going to show you exactly how can you be able to be manually getting this kind of trading setup that you need to have. How can you be getting this? Because some people say sometimes they are busy, that the setup may come and they are late and dressed. I got you covered. In my next video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can be able to get any trading notification with respect to any price action trading system in catching spike with crash 1000 index, crash 500 index, and also crash 300 index. Nice to have you now. See you in my next video. Bye.